We will guide you through how to make Kali Linux run faster in VirtualBox. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure the Kali Linux virtual machine is powered off, since its hardware settings should not be changed while it is running. Select the Kali Linux virtual machine in Oracle VirtualBox Manager. Then click Settings to open its configuration. Go to System and open the motherboard section. Increase base memory to 4096 megabytes, or higher if your host computer has enough memory available. Next, open the Processor tab and assign between 2 and 4 central processing unit cores, while leaving enough resources for the host system. Enable the PAE/NX option to provide the processor features Kali Linux may need. Open Display, then raise video memory to 128 megabytes for smoother graphics. Enable 3D acceleration so VirtualBox can use accelerated graphics where supported. Open Storage and select the virtual hard disk. Then enable the solid-state drive option so the guest system treats it as faster storage. Click OK to save these changes and start the virtual machine. After Kali Linux finishes loading, open Terminal. First, refresh the software package information using the administrative update command. Next, install the desktop-based components and the 𝗟𝗹𝗞𝗘 desktop environment, automatically accepting the installation prompt. When that installation finishes, install the VirtualBox Guest Editions display drivers for the 𝗟𝗋 Windows system, again allowing the package manager to proceed automatically. Once all packages have installed successfully, reboot the virtual machine using the standard reboot command. After Kali Linux starts again, open a few applications and move between menus to verify that performance has improved and that the display responds more smoothly.